Baci's Learning Land.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Baci's Learning Land. Today what we're going to do is we're going to learn to count all the way to 20 with some extra bonus ones. Now to help, what we're going to use is this little calendar. So inside we're going to open up one of these little flaps and we're going to check out what's inside and play with what's in here. Now, if you like this video and our fun adventures, please don't forget to like or subscribe. All right, so now with that, let's find out what's inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number 13. What's inside? We have some brown, light brown Play-Doh. And what is this? We also have more instructions. Oh, wow. Okay. But that's not it. There's still more inside. It's a little tricky to get out, but we work together and look. Whoa! It's a gingerbread cookie. Come on. Whoa, look. So now for the next numbers from 13 to 24, we have a brand new scene. For window 13, we have these three things. We have the brown Play-Doh. We have a gingerbread person. Cool. And look, whoa, we could do this person if we wanted to. Whoa, I want to really do a cookie. So I'm going to just use this one and I'm going to press it inside. I wonder how this gingerbread cookie is going to look like. We're going to press it inside and see what comes out. Well, good thing we have this plastic Play-Doh knife to try to take that Play-Doh out. Look, it's coming out. Wonderful! This is how it ended up looking. Whoa. All right, where in the picture can we put this gingerbread person? What's that? Of course, on the gingerbread house. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Whoa, we have this really neat green, and we have, what is this? Oh, look, it looks like presents. Is there anything else inside? No, there's not. Let's go. Window 14 brought us this really interesting neon green color Play-Doh. We also have some presents. Whoa. All right, so we're going to press in our Play-Doh and we're going to carefully bring it back out. Oh, how detailed with bows. Whoa. All right, so where on our picture can we put these presents? What's that at the bottom? Of course, there it is. We're going to place them right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, oh, we have another green. It's quite a little different from the other one. What else? Oh, whoa. Take a look at this. It looks like a tree with some ornaments on it. Behind 15, we got this green and we have this kind of shape of a tree. Let's press it in. And meanwhile I press it in, can you see where this tree can go? Of course! Look, it's up at the top. Whoa, that's really pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Whoa. Oh, look, we have another red one just like that. Okay, what can we use that with? Oh, it looks like it's a bell. For door 16, we have this bell and this red Play-Doh. So we're going to get some of the Play-Doh, spread it out, And we're going to make sure that there's enough space for the whole cutter to go. Meanwhile, we can start looking. Where could the bell go? Of course, right here. Way to go. Great counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Whoa. Hey, there's another snowman. And there's some white Play-Doh. Door 17, we have this snow person, white Play-Doh, and some instructions. Let's take a look. Whoa, I love all the details that they give. Okay, maybe we could do that later. Right now, I'm going to take some of our squishy Play-Doh, and I'm going to spread it out again, just like that. That should do the trick. I'm going to press out the cutter, take out the extra Play-Doh. There it is. Look at that. All right, let's start thinking. Where can our snow person go? Not on the roof. What about here? There it is. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's open number 18. Whoa, what is this? It looks like a little plastic knife. Okay, and inside we have, whoa, it looks like a wreath, a decoration, and some blue Play-Doh. Door 18 brought this cutter. Look at the details on that. Whoa, and this beautiful blue. All right, let's take out some of our Play-Doh. And we're going to, I think we're going to try to do something different. We're going to put it in a long piece of Play-Doh. And we're going to try to squish it all around in a circle form. And we're going to squish it best we can with leaving a hole in the middle. I think that should do the trick. All right, count with me. We'll count 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that'll work pretty good. So we have this wreath. Where can we put the wreath? I think we could just put it anywhere. What about over here on top of the gingerbread house? We're almost there, friends. Great effort. Okay, we're gonna go to the next one. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Ooh, more green Play-Doh? Oh, right. Is there anything inside? Yes, there is. Whoa, what is that? It kind of looks like this has wings. Maybe it's an angel. Whoa, door 19. Whoa, look at this one. And we have green Play-Doh. I wonder what this could be. Oh, it could be a snow person. All right, we could do a snow angel sometimes when we lay down and we move our arms and legs. All right, we stretched it out. I'm gonna give it a little push. Whoa! All right, where can we put this Play-Doh piece? I think this one just calls for creativity. You could place it wherever you'd like. What about here? Maybe a kid played here and they put a snow angel there. Hey, look, we almost made it to number 20. Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, there's some yellow Play-Doh. There's also a cookie cutter. Oh, it's a star. Also, there's a third thing. Whoop. There's some instructions. Take a look at that. These are all the fun things we can do. Ooh, whoa, let's get creative. Door 20. Whoa, look at this star. we also have some instructions. Take a look. How beautiful. You can decorate in many different ways, and it gives you some ideas of what to do. All right, for today, what we're going to do is we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to make one beautiful star. What's that I hear? You already found where the star goes? Whoa, you're quick. All right, I'm going to press down. What a beautiful star. Look at that. Whoa. Of course it goes in the sky. Good observation. So I know I said we're going to count only to 20, but look, there's 3 more. Whoa, no, there's 4. 21, 22, 23, 24. Do you want to open it with me? Yes? All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, there's some orange Play-Doh. And did you hear that? Something fell. It's a tree. So we're going to continue on with door 21. Door 21? What's there, I wonder? Oh, there's a tree. So cool. All right, this is funny because some trees aren't completely orange, but I like how creative they're being. Whoa, great work. Where can we put our orange tree? What about right here beside the snow person? We're going to put it right there. Okay, we're going to count to the next one. Let's do it super, super fast. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Whew, I have to catch my breath after that one. That was really quick counting. Whoa, yellow Play-Doh. There's lots of things in here. It's a Nutcracker. Look at that. Whoa, there's something else. Hey, we have found the other antler. So cool. Door 22, we have our amazing Nutcracker. We're going to take some of our yellow, and for this mold, we have to press inside our Play-Doh. All right, we're going to try our best, and very carefully, we're going to try to take it out now. Whoa, look at all those details. Now, do you see where the Nutcracker can go? But of course, look. He goes right there. Are you ready to speed count? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Ooh, what's this? There's some pink Play-Doh and some houses. It maybe could even be gingerbread houses. Door 23 has a little house on it. All right, it's going to be a red house. Let's take some of that Play-Doh. And again, this is one that you press inside. We're going to press, 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 best we can. And now we got to peel, 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 best we can. Oh, beautiful. Look at those details. It has windows and doors. What's that? You can see where it goes. Am I near? More up? Of course, right there. All right, friends, this is it. This is our last one. Are you ready to super de-duper as fast as you can count? Try your best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Whew. I almost couldn't do that one. Oh, what's inside? Oh, it's purple. What could we build that's purple? Well, look at that. It could be a train, of course. Oh, whoa. Anything else? No, that's it. Last but not least, for door 24, we're going to have this choo-choo train, 2 pieces, and with this beautiful purple. So I'm going to take some of this purple, and I have to split it in 2 pieces because look, there's 2 pieces of the train. Do you know how the train sounds like when it blows its horn? Yeah, it goes choo choo. All right, there, I pressed it in, and now I'm going to try to carefully pull it out. Here's the front of our train. Oh, right there. Gonna take out the second piece. Nice and carefully. Whoa, it seems like it's upside down. Whoa, how cool is that? And the second piece goes right there. Look how beautiful. Thank you so much for playing Play-Doh with me and counting, especially to 20. We did 4 extra numbers, so we counted after 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yay! Good job, team. Again, if you like this video, there's also the one that is counting from 0 to 10 and with 2 extra numbers. What's that? You want to count to 24 again? All right, we'll take it a little slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. With a bonus 4, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you soon. Bye.
See ya soon.